If you're serious about Markdown, three names keep coming up: Obsidian, MarkText, and Typora. These are all great in their own way, but they serve different writing styles and workflows. Here's how they stack up. Obsidian is more than just a Markdown editor, it's a full note-taking system. You get bidirectional links, graph views, and powerful plugin support. It's perfect if you're managing a second brain or working with lots of connected notes, but it's more complex than a standard editor, and has a steeper learning curve. MarkText, on the other hand, let's go to MarkText, what's going on? It's clean, open source, and distraction-free. Focuses on the basics of writing in Markdown with a live preview built into the same window. It's ideal if you want something simple and free, but it doesn't go far beyond basic writing features. And Typora merges editing and preview seamlessly. With one of the most polished interfaces out there, it handles tables, math, and diagrams with ease, and exports to multiple formats. It's great for both casual and professional writing. Obsidian is best for deep thinkers, researchers, and anyone building long-term knowledge. Typora is for those writers who want a beautiful, powerful editor without the complexity. And MarkText is great for those who just want clean writing and zero fuss. Obsidian gives you structure, Typora gives you polish, and MarkText gives you simplicity. The best choice depends on whether you're organizing thoughts, publishing content, or just jotting ideas. That's the breakdown of Obsidian, MarkText, and Typora. Each one shines in a different context. Try them out and see what's the best fit for your workflow.